You sick son of a bitch. You betrayed me. I thought we were friends. But no, suppose not, because for some reason, you're dead. I am so sick of looking at this computer. I spent many hours troubleshooting. Oh, let's just try one RAM stick. Oh, let's unplug all the SSDs. Let's see what we can do. Nothing. Not a goddamn thing is working. And I'm sad to admit that I think the CPU is dead. Which, okay, that happens. But this would be my second time. So I don't know if there's something in the air or something in this computer that just loves to kill CPUs, but that seems like a problem. 5950X, done again. And you know what? It's pretty hard to acquire a 5950X currently, present day. So I don't know what to do. Kind of at a loss. And I don't know the path forward because you know what? Everybody out there using buckets of water and making the RAM prices go through the roof is making it really hard to just acquire an entire new build. Go DDR5, because guess what? I'm still on DDR4. Shame on me. Yeah. I really wanted to just buy a whole new computer because I'm cool like that. I could just drop some money and call it a day. But I can't. I don't know the path forward. If I buy a new one, I'm still running the risk of it having issues and I'm having to buy it from a third-party seller on eBay. Or, hey, even better, let's buy a pre-owned one on eBay from Susie. But we don't know what Susie's doing with the CPU, so I don't know if I'm just going to run into the same issue again. I don't know. In a perfect world, computers would be affordable and I just throw some money at it, call it a day. But yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to buy one off eBay and perform surgery and hope that everything's fine. You know what's not fine? Me. I'm not fine. It's been a lot going through it, especially because, I was troubleshooting yesterday, plugged in my Samsung 49-inch G9 Odyssey. I don't know if that's actually the model number, but it sounds right, so I'm just going to go with it. But I was like, yeah, let me use this for BIOS and stuff. Joke's on me. I don't know what's in the air. I don't know what's happening. But for some reason, I just got some little lines. And that was the extent of what I saw. Just black. So I thought, okay, it's fine. I'll just use a 65-inch TV that I mounted to my wall for no goddamn reason. And I used that for BIOS. And I forgot about it. And then I said, you know what? It's fine. I have an M1 Max from 2021. I'll use that. I used to be a Mac guy. Not so much anymore. I kind of need Windows. I like to game. I have my Go XLR. It's only compatible on the PC. And even then, they're not even updating the damn thing. So who knows? But I thought, hey, for the meantime, hook up my USB dock. Be fine. Just use the Mac. And I'll hook up the big 49-inch ultrawide. Yeah. Then I remembered I had that issue earlier. And go figure, it's actually just dead. It's dead. And granted, I've had it for 4 years, but still, goddamn, it's a monitor. It's been through thick and thin with me. It's been by my side, just like my computer. And even when the CPU died on this, you know who was still there for me? This guy. And guess he's done too. Guess the whole crew is just leaving. I don't know what's next. I'm gonna wake up, my mouse is gonna be gone, So yeah, really, really frustrating, but I'm pretty sure my $1,300 stupid ass, long ass, dumb ass monitor is dead. And this video really has no purpose aside from me just ranting. Things here on my chest, getting them off, putting them on you. Just gonna trauma dump on you. I don't know the path forward. And you know what? I'll be honest, my office looks like a goddamn bomb went off. Because I've been trying, I've been going through it. I have my old Vertigear chair because I have trouble letting go. This buddy's been near and dear. He's been next to me every single day. And he's got clamps holding him together and seams that my thighs have burned in from my sheer sweat and heat. But I love him. And even though I have the new Librenovo, I don't even know if that's how you say it. Librenovo, I believe. Omni, Maxis, whatever. And I love this thing, except for the fact that the arms move. But I can't get rid of this other chair. So now I just have a chair sitting in my office and I have another chair for when I film videos. I have 3 chairs in my little 10 by 10 office. It's probably bigger than that, but it feels small. The walls feel small today. Oh, I'm going to start 3D printing. No, your computer is going to shit a brick. That's what's going to happen. That's what's happening. I don't even know where I was going with that, but I'm at a point where I honestly could set the entire thing on fire and call it a day. Just this room. Guess what? Desk, solid wood. Done. Reset. You know, people always say, oh, I'm going to go for a walk to clear my mind. I'm going to set my entire office on fire and clear my mind. That's where I'm at. So I don't know. I don't know if I try to troubleshoot the monitor or if I just toss it out this conveniently placed window. Done. That's where I'm at, truly. I don't know what I do now if I get a non-monster ass monitor. If I go back to like the OG days, having double, triple monitors, 27-inch. Oh yeah, I got 240 hertz. You know, I don't know what I want to do. I actually legitimately want to hear from you guys in the comments. Do I buy a whole new computer? Do I go DDR5 because I'm still like the old guy on DDR4? Do I just suck it up and pay the market price, even though it's double what it should actually be? I don't know. I have to edit videos for a living. Guess who can't do their goddamn job? Me. Oh, I want to hook up my SM7B to my Mac? No. No, I have a Go XLR, which doesn't even get updates, and it's only for Windows. So I don't know. I have to spend money on that. I have to buy a new monitor. I have to probably buy a new PC. CPU? I don't know. I don't know. Do I want Sherry's used CPU on eBay? I don't know what she did with that. God, I can only imagine the things she did with it. I don't know. So that's where I'm at right now. It's not good. It's not good. I'm actually kind of sick of this whole setup. I kind of feel like there's a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm thinking, okay, we're going to switch things up. I've been married to this 49-inch ultrawide. I do love it. However, I do miss the ability of having separate displays because it does feel a little different. So maybe I just get rid of that. Go back old school. Triple monitor, double monitor. I don't know. Maybe we do that. Maybe I just buy a whole new computer and let that be a problem for later. You know, the old computer, I'll part it. I'll do whatever I want later. Maybe I condense this entire desk. Maybe I don't need a device like Go XLR. Maybe I'll just keep it very simple. I don't know what I want to do, but I'm sick of this. I'm sick and tired of my office looking like this. I'm sick and tired of being betrayed by technology. What is this, Toy Story 5? Jesus Christ. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what I should do, because if you don't help, then God forbid I make my own decision and regret it. I'd like to be able to blame someone. So, hey, if I have someone to blame, it'll be you. I'll shout you out in a video for ruining my life, for giving bad advice. So, yeah, truly, that's where we stand right now. Do I just roll the dice and stick with an upgraded CPU? Well, not even upgraded, a replacement CPU, because you can't get better than a 5950X without changing everything else in my goddamn computer, you know? And I know someone's gonna be like, well, you get the 5900, or what if you get the... Shut up, okay? I'm either getting the 5950X or I'm like literally plopping it out and going big, you know? What do I do for a monitor? What's even a good monitor right now? I've been disconnected. I've been in this little cave hanging out with what I thought were my friends, and now I'm betrayed. All right. If you haven't seen my videos in forever, you probably think I need to go see a therapist, which, you know, I have done before. Highly recommend. But I'm actually fine. I'm really at a point where I'm frustrated with technology. I'm kind of sick of this setup. I'm kind of taking it as an opportunity to just wipe the slate clean, you know? Maybe I go back to the old style and I don't need this big monitor, and I could maybe just fix the computer or get something completely different and spend 2 times more than I actually should. I need audio interface recommendations as well. I've had the Go XLR for so long now, I don't even know what a good alternative is. Preferably one that has a company that actually still updates their product. That would be nice. But yeah, I also need a new keyboard. Sorry, I've been swallowing dust. The reason I bring that up is it's not a brand deal, but this thing, I bought it because I was like doing a deep clean of the computer, because you actually couldn't even see through. It was disgusting. But this thing is sick. It's from Wolfbox, which I've heard of before. Paid for it, my own money. I'll leave an affiliate link down below. But this is like the cheaper one. I think it was 40 bucks. They have one that's even more expensive. This thing is crazy. It's like really satisfying. The fact that this thing is that powerful, love it. Anyways, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Take some deep breaths, and I'll see ya in the next video.